Hey everybody, it's Brooke with WTI. I am always cold even though I'm pregnant, and I wanted to find some fleece lined leggings that would keep me comfortable. These ones from Enerful are so perfect. I love that they have pockets and they're super stretchy. They don't dig in on my belly at all, but they also stay up and don't roll down. I really love that it's a 2-pack because if one pair is in the wash, I still have another one to wear. The fleece is nice and soft, but not too thick, so you're not going to get overheated. And I love how high they come on my belly so they don't show through even when I'm wearing a tighter shirt. I love the fit of these so much. Even if I sit in weird positions like I often do, I am still comfortable and it is perfect for lounging around. Whether you live somewhere cold or you just are always super cold and you want some fleece-lined leggings for maternity, I highly recommend these ones. They are so comfortable, yet they really keep you warm without being too hot. And I love that they have pockets. I think you're gonna love them because I do, but that's just my point of view.